For happy Tuesday and good morning, good afternoon, wherever you find yourself. I'm still here in Italy. Madam Amwa. For Mankaha, Makaim with the vibes in the bay mom. And I remember you. Hilda's kitchen, the you Christy, Kakampocha Fashona. My mini Janet were fun a while baba. I walk by him, but no student. I start with so far, so good. This is palm oil and onions. As you can see, they are very chunky, nice. Look at this pepper is so powerful. So this is all that I'm adding. This is all that I'm adding. As you can tell, yan iron no ho ago na kakra. Sa iron no ho ago na kakra za. Ebusua na no mo kako na beef kakra wa so. This is gugu no chede. Bibiala why longo slice. Bed. Again, good food made in a clean environment. It's one papa or yeah, Hilda's kitchen. It's some pocha more courgette, cacao, and with them more vegetables as a menu of papa paints courgettes. In this moment, we are going to add in some aubergine as well. And trouble po, it was on the matrix channel. Come, damn, or the stew is stewing. Yes, and then we ran a market, so Mumbar so my foot to more ferment come or rock or Charlie. Everything is on point. Good food made in a clean environment. Also, we are going to add in some seasoning, or rock or add in any seasoning of your choice. Yes. We are not going to waste much time. We are going to add in our tomatoes. Wow. That's right. Or if it's one papa or Hilda's kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Papa baby or do clean as you go is part of the game. Yes. We are not going to add a lot of water, as I will add my water with my okra. So just a little water to rinse the can, and I'm going to cover this to cook on its own. So keep watching. It was a record. Wow. So guys, as you can see, our stew is cooking very nicely. Very soon I'm going to add in the fish. At the moment we have only kako and beef, and my okra is also ready. I'm going to add some hot water to cook. As I said, I don't like okra stew that is too thin. Like I want it light. Yes, or rokodo. So we are going to cook this nicely, and we are going to add in some this is bicarbonate sodium. Yes, it's like bicarbonate. It's really nice. This is what we use in Italy, and then in the UK it's in container or record. So keep watching. So this is the bicarbonate. We are adding this kakrebi, about a half teaspoon. Yes. So guys, this is my mackerel, very nice and beautiful. We are going to add this into the stew. So we have some smoked fish also here to give that smoky. Yay! Then I'm going to cover it for it to cook nicely before I will finally add in this. Yes, as you can tell, this is also cooking very nicely and calmly. So guys, as you can tell, our stew is cooking very nicely. Okra is also cooking, and this is our corn dough mixed by me. This is Italian condo. It's not yaba cats on set as or there we go. So guys, this is our benku. For now, and I'm adding hot water. It makes it easier, faster, quicker. No lumps. Yes, or quadro. So here we go. You can tell that it has started. So far, so adding our okra. Okra, how do you check it? Okra. Hey, look at that. Hey. So guys, how do you check it? Oh, damn, yeah. In a baby, okra. Here so yan benku. Ya kan yes, papa bi azna ya kama. Okra. Ijen me loan boko et background de na onya record papa bi hwaze ebusun hwaze. Finally, our okra stew is ready. Madam said she doesn't want really hot because we've left it for my mom to come from work. So you there. Okay. And we chin it. Voila. Ooh, wow. And wait, patient.
Yes, please.
Questa.
Sì.
Ce la fai?
Forse ti do. Grazie.
Oh yeah. Fa nakpe na papanano.
Okay.
So finally, it's ready. Yes, okra Charlie. Look at it.